Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain about how to calculate a cube of a number if the number is having two digits or same, like 11 cube, 22 cube, 33 cube, 44 cube, like that. If you want to calculate a cube of a number, how to calculate I will explain you in this video. Please watch this video till the end. Let us take one example. Simple example 11 cube. First step of this method is, here both two digits are same, right? Square the number 1. 1 into 1, 1. Keep 4 times. Now forget about first and last digit. Double the digits in the middle. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Now add these two. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 1. 1331 is the cube of a number 11. Let us check with normal multiplication. 11 into 11 into 11. Multiply these two. With that result, again multiply with one more 11. Then you will get the cube of a number 11. First multiply 11 into 11. 117, 117, 117, 117. Now add 121 is the square of a number 11. Now multiply again with one more 11. Then you will get cube of a number. 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1 2 is 2, 117, 117, 1 2 is 2, 117. 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 1331 is the cube of a number 11. Here also we got the same answer, 1331. But using this method you can easily calculate a cube of a number 11. This method is very helpful while solving your problems. Let us take one more example, that is 22 cube. First step of this method is cube the digit 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now keep 8 4 times. Now forget about first and last digit. Double the digits in the middle. 8 plus 8, 16. 8 plus 8, 16. Now add these two. 8, 8 plus 6, 14. 1 plus 1, 2. Don't keep 2 here, because for one column we have to keep one digit, right? Already we have kept 4. Now keep 2 here. Now add these 3. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Keep 6 here, 1 here. Already we have kept 6, right? Don't keep 2 here, keep 2 here. Now 8 plus 2, 10. 10,648 is the cube of a number 22. Let us check with normal multiplication whether we got the same answer or not. Now square the number 22. With that result, again multiply with one more 22. Then you will get the cube of a number 22. Now multiply 20 into 20, 22 into 22. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 4, 8, 4. 484 is the square of a number 22. Now 484 into 22. If you multiply 22 with 484, then you will get the cube of a number 22. Now multiply. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Now again with 2, right? So keep 968. No, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 6, 16. 9 plus 1, 10. 10,648 is the cube of a number 22. Hence we got the same answer in both two cases, 10,648. But using this method you can easily calculate a cube of a number 22, right? Like that, if you want to calculate any number, if the number is having both two digits are same, then you can easily calculate with this method. Let us take one more example. This is the last example, 33 cube. First step of this method is cube the number 3. 3 is a 9. 9 into 3, 27. Next, keep 27 4 times. Use space so that you don't confuse. Now forget about first and last digits. Now double the digits in the middle. 27 plus 27, how much? 54. Now add. For one column you have to keep one digit, right? So keep 7 here, keep 2 here. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Don't keep 8 here, keep 8 here. Now add these 3. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 2 plus 1, 3. 35,937 is the cube of a number 33. Let us check with normal multiplication whether we got the same answer or not. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Now add 9 plus 9, 18. 1089 is the square of a number 33. Now multiply 1089 into 33. Then you will get cube of a number. 3 9s are 27. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 3 1s are 3. Now add these two. 7. 6 plus 7, 13. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. Hence we got the cube of a number 33 is 35,937. With this method also we got the same answer, 35,937. But using this method you can easily calculate, right? In previous videos we have learned about how to calculate cube of a number if the number is having first digit equal to 1 and if the number is having last digit equal to 1, like 12 cube, 13 cube, 14 cube, 21 cube, 31 cube, 41 cube. We have learned about these type of numbers, how to calculate cube of a number. I have explained in the previous videos. Now in this video you have learned about how to calculate cube of a number if both two digits are same, like 11 cube, 12 cube, 11 cube, 22 cube, 33 cube, like that. If you have any number, how to calculate cube of a number, in this video you have learned. Now if you want to calculate other than these three type of numbers, if you don't have 1 in first digit and if you don't have 1 in last digit and if you don't have both two digits are same, like if the number is having 23, here 1 is not in first digit and 1 is not in second digit, and here the two digits are not same, right? These three methods are not applicable for this number. So these type of numbers, how to calculate cube of a number, I will explain you in the next video. If you want to watch that video, please subscribe my channel and enable bell icon so that you will get notification when I upload a video. If you want to watch first two methods of cube of a number, like 12 cube, 13 cube, 14 cube, how to calculate cube of a number if the number is having first digit equal to 1, and one more method if the number is having last digit equal to 1, that is 21 cube, 31 cube, 41 cube, like that. If the number is having last digit equal to 1, I have explained in previous videos. If you want to watch these videos, I will give you the link in description. If you want to watch those videos, please watch it. I hope you understood this method. If you understand this method, please like it. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.